Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. It's Sunday morning. We have a bit cloudy and windy day here in Pune. Sunday is usually everyone's lazy day. We also take a break from waking up early and sleep till we feel to get up. Morning always start with a fresh cup of masala chai. If you have not watched my everyday masala tea recipe, do watch it. It's pretty simple and refreshing one. Today I have some plants to repot to. I have started with syngonium. It's low light plant but it does thrive in bright indirect light. It's a total muddy mess I have here after repotting the plants. My partner always helps me in gardening, so while he cleans my mess, I'm gonna prepare some lunch for us. I'm preparing some Hakka noodle here. Everyone have their own version of making noodles and taking it to the next level. after having lunch, we usually watch my or his favorite movie. Harry Potter is my favorite movie series, and from that series, my most favorite part is Chamber of Secret. After lunch, we decided to watch this again as we were getting little bored searching what to watch on Netflix. It's a beautiful weather outside. So after watching movie, we decided to take a walk. We have small hill nearby. This place is so much beautiful in rainy season. Walking on the wet road just after rain has done its magic and having sunset to accompany you is absolutely amazing feeling. During pandemic, going out in nature is real luxury I feel. With this, I take your leave and will see you in the next video. Till then, enjoy this beautiful time lapse of sunset.